A beautiful Idaho sunset to show you at 6:38 this morning. This is video that Giovanna Vega shared with us. Thank you for that. It's a cotton candy sky. Just so pretty out there, and we've been seeing a lot of that.
Bella,
Jim,
bella, bella.
Yeah, what can we expect today?
Yeah, pretty similar conditions with our sunrise this morning. Looks more like one of those. Remember the bullet popsicles? Remember those that were different flavors and different oranges and pinks with them? That's what that kind of reminds me of as the sun is getting ready to come up. Beautiful. There's a postcard picture for sure. The temperature right now in Boise is 67 degrees, which was much more comfortable than it was at this time yesterday morning, down about 10 to 12 degrees in most areas. West winds at 5 miles per hour right now, but there's a blanket of some patchy smoke from wildfires across the area. There are the temperatures in the mid to upper 60s this morning in the valley areas, 40s and 50s in the mountains, and dry conditions everywhere, even though we did have enough moisture around yesterday for triggered a few thunderstorms before that cold front moved in and pushed it east last night. Around Stanley, had a cloud burst between noon and 2 o'clock that dropped up to 2/3 of an inch of rain yesterday, but dry this morning, and except for some high-level smoke moving through, skies are clear. We have fire weather warnings, and so we have red flag warnings out from Owyhee County across Magic Valley into eastern Idaho, and that is because of the breezy, dry conditions that could still spread fires very quickly if they get started. So be very careful with any fire that you are dealing with outdoors, camping or working or whatever. We have fires upstream from us, and that northwest wind is grabbing some of that smoke and pulling it down over our area today. So expect slightly cooler temperatures overall. Yesterday's high in Twin Falls was 95 degrees. It'll be 92 today, 90 in Jerome and Burley, and low 90s throughout the rest of the valley with some high-level patchy smoke in the west part of the valley, a little more sunshine to the east. And we're looking at breezy conditions in the afternoon. Mountain areas from the low 80s to around 83 degrees in Sun Valley and Haley in the central mountain areas, and in the upper 70s to low 80s from McCall down to Cascade with that patchy smoke as well. And for the Treasure Valley, in the low 90s today in most locations, breezy northwest winds around 15 to 25 miles per hour, 93 in Boise this afternoon, 91 in Kuna, and 92 in Mountain Home and Meridian. So the mountain areas will be in the 70s today, a little breezy, a little high-level smoke as well, and then still breezy tomorrow, but starting to warm up a little bit to the low to mid 80s as we head toward the weekend. Here in the Treasure Valley, though, down to 93 degrees today, just a couple of degrees below average, up to near normal around tomorrow and Thursday near 95 degrees. Morning lows not quite as warm as that record-breaking 78 degrees for a low temperature we saw yesterday. But by the weekend, we're back in the upper 90s to near 100 again through the weekend and early next week.